Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is me, Hina Raheja, again sharing a YouTube vlog with you of Chatbir Zoo that is in Jarakpur and Morni Hills. These are the glimpses of that place. This place is literally calming and very soothing. You should visit if you have 1 day or 2 days and you are from Haryana or Chandigarh or somewhere nearby. Here we are going for the zoo firstly. I want to share something with you about this place and how we started going there. Actually, it's a literally unplanned trip. We just thought of like going somewhere and having a chill mode on. So we just left and I was having a call just half an hour before and but as usual unplanned trips are so best and with Minnie, my niece of course, it's just amazing. We all know how kids are, so I'll let you meet this chatterbox of mine in end of the video. Here we ended with our zoo part and we are leaving for our hotel for Morni Hills. This is our hotel. We relaxed for the night and in morning this is the view. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I just loved that. This is the morning view of that hotel and resort, whatever you will see. Here we had our breakfast, have some morning sunlight and all. And here at this moment I realized we all need some break from our lives. We are just occupied in so much of showers that we forget to leave the moment, forget to have those sunlight, those breaks, those long drives and all. We just forgot. So leave the moment, have a peaceful vibe, go in some park, go in some peaceful place, a natural vibe, kind of mountains or lakes like we go. Morni Lake. This is the Morni Lake, which the place is famous for. This is my sister and my niece. It was very good with them and having fun with them is so amazing. You should visit there or anywhere else. You should have these kinds of stuffs which we usually have in childhood. This is the best memory we have. So we should relive the moments. And here we check into the next hotel of our Regenta. This is the next hotel and it has so peaceful vibes and so good ambience. Those views were amazing. We just have the tea and feel the moment. So this is the amazing thing that I will say. Sometimes these escape are so good. And now here is my chatterbox. See?
शेर को भी देखूंगा।
शेर को?
हाँ।
और किसको देखोगे?
शेर को, डायनासोर को भी।
डायनासोर को भी?
हाँ।
ठीक है।
मेरे खाने नहीं खा रहा था।
क्यों नहीं खा रहा था?
वो इधर चलने आया।
अच्छा।
वो भी खा गया। चिड़िया।
कहाँ पे?
क्या देख रहे हो?
हाथी।
कहाँ पे हाथी?
वहाँ।
उरीमून। और?
मम्मा को शिशु देखना है।
शिशु का मम्मा को।
मौसी, एक मेरा बच्चा था। वो पानी में छुप गई। पानी में।
छुप गया?
एक भी छुप गया
पेड़ के पीछे।
हैं?
हाँ।
ओहो, अब क्या करें मिनी?
मेरा बच्चा भी छुप गया वहाँ पे।
छुप गया?
पेड़ के पीछे पे।
ओहो, अब क्या
बुला लो
करें?
उसको। कह दो आ जाओ बाहर आ
अब
जाओ।
क्या करें मिन्नी?
बाहर आ जाओ।
बाहर आ जाओ।
क्या खा रहे हो मिन्नी?
अच्छी
कैसी है?
है।
Thank you everyone. Here it ends. We'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye.